Rizar, Cortez, Listan, Mobera, Matugas, Romero.
Good morning, Central Mindanao University. Good morning, savvy ones. Today is Wednesday, September 18, 2024. And guys, pila na lang kalabas ko na. Pero, ang panguntahan na nato diha. Nanaba mo, start ng Pasko. Ay, kung wala pa, parihata. Anyways, highways, this is me, Fernalu, your host for today's show. And this is Unidocs, kung saan kwento semi-ones ay tampong. Okay, karoon na adlaw, guys. Nanapunta yung mga bisita. Kung ginito sila nga mag-visit, mga bisita, guys, kay gital ko, ginamais na sila magpagwapa. Kabalo ba mo nga, para sa ilaha, mas maayo pang maliit nga gwapa. Uy, kayo sa mga biskwila nga, wala yung sura. So, wala yung pagduha-duha. Ako nang tawagon ng atong mga bisita karon. Nara, si Papito, Papirolog, si Mariel! Hello, hello. Hello. Welcome to Unidos Girls.
Hello, my lalu. Hello,
Oh my God! So, kumusta man ang pagiging sa MU1?
Well, first of all, thank you for inviting us. Busy ang mga kadets. So, kulang sa world of Farron at Nijitin kay PW Mami.
Anyways, honestly, I'm so happy. Haligor mo sa akong invitation. But like, dog, maumay mga way to look. Fresh kayo, look at you girls.
Of course. We look like Pocahontas, but we're not fun doing Pocahontas.
Truth! And besides, we love exposure sa mga chupapi years sa university. So, dapat dili mo lang chima, right, Mavital?
So very dapat your papiron. Alright, wow, indeed. You are best of friends. But anyways, the very reason why you invited me here sa aking show is that I want you to show us how we're going to do your everyday get ready for my group. So, for your convenience, we have prepared set of makeup and some other things for you to utilize. So all you guys have to do is to show us the application or the easier way to do your everyday get ready with you. So, is it a gore or a door?
Wow, it is a goal like this. Very go, go, go!
Alright, so carriers, pasok! Alright, oh yes, this is our most exciting part because our guest is going to show us how they're going to do your everyday to get ready with me look. But there will be a twist. Oh my God, excited! Ikaw sabi, excited na ba sa mo?
Yes.
Excited dapat mo. Ang choice. Anyways, ang ang model for today's video, walay lain yun. Ang atong Kuya Lakban. Kuya Lakban! Now, are you ready? Are you both ready?
Yes, of course.
Yes. First in line, moisturizer and sunscreen. Ang moisturizer, the main thing niya is para i-hydrate and nourish ang ating skin. While ang sunscreen, it serves as protection from the sun UV rays. Sunscreen and moisturizer.
Fun?
Oh my God! Kuya Vance, are you ready na? I'm so ready na, Kuya Vance!
Ano,
primer kag foundation para mahimo mas madali ang paggamit sa iba na makeup. Maghahatag kini og mas humok kag pareho tunos ang palit mo.
Concealer. Nagtatago ng dark circles, age spots, blemishes, and more, hiding this pigment by blending these imperfections to your skin. While powder, give your skin a healthy and glowing. Iniiwasan ang appearances ng pores at makeup na magmumukhang oily. Concealer at powder. Next, eyeshadow and eyebrow. Like, diba, they really shape our eyes, guys, and nag-give sila sa atin ng expression, and it influences the way we communicate. Plus, the eyeshadow, oh my gosh, it gives depth and, you know, it highlights the color of one's eyes. So, eyeshadow and eyebrow.
Eyebrow. How you pronounce eyebrow, Miss Ara?
Eyebrow.
Eyebrow. Okay.
Eyeliner kag mascara. Eyeliner nagakipili kag nakapasulot samtang ang mascara nakapadako kag nakapalo. Magupod sila, magahimo sila og matawag na synergy. Mapapayos ang mata mo. Gini kinakambal ko yung tinuod, gini hawak. Eyeliner kag mascara.
Blush can brighten up your face and contour your features, while lipstick, nagtutulong siya upang malakin ang moisture at hindi mag-dry ang lips to make your lips supple and visible.
Paano yung visible? Carrier? Hindi carrier naman. Tama to. And with a pose.
Again, blush and lips. Again, blush and lipstick. Para surprise. Okay, the last but not the least, sunscreen mist. Oh my gosh, setting sprays, like they help extend the wear of your makeup. Like, diba, ang ganda-ganda ng makeup mo and it lasts so tagal-tagal. Sunscreen mist!